welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. If you're new to my channel, I upload videos weekly about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and click that subscribe button. And don't forget also the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. For today's video, I have a quick reveal of a bag that I purchased in Bangkok recently. This is not a brand new bag, it's a vintage bag. I was browsing the consignment stores in Bangkok and then I came across this bag. The bag that I purchased is this vintage Saint Laurent bag, which used to be Yves Saint Laurent when Tom Ford was designing for the brand, but now it's Saint Laurent ever since Eddie Slimane was the creative director for the brand. So this is the YSL Mombasa bag designed by Tom Ford. I think this was on the runway in 2001. This was designed by Tom Ford when Tom Ford was designing for Yves Saint Laurent. He was also designing for Gucci at the same time. So according to him, this was kind of like his answer to the Gucci bamboo bag. He wanted the horn to be identified with the brand Yves Saint Laurent at that time, the same way that the bamboo identifies with the brand Gucci. This is not my first time having this bag. I've had this bag in a black suede in the past and it was in a smaller size, and I honestly really love the design of this bag. I think it's really unique. The horn and the hardware is just so beautifully made. I think it's such a robust and hardy bag. I mean, considering this was launched in 2001 and it came out in 2002, so it is a 20-year-old bag, but as you can see, it's still in such a beautiful condition. The leather is so beautiful. Because it was made beautifully, it's that type of bag that would just age very well. In terms of style, it's very similar to the Gucci Jackie bag, which I kind of really like that style nowadays. I love a good shoulder bag. This one is really comfortable. The horn is actually really comfortable on your shoulder and you can wear it for hours without feeling tired. You can also wear it as a top handle bag, which is one of my favorite styles of bags. I realized that I have way too many crossbody bags and I really don't like the look of crossbody bags on a lot of outfits. I think they just don't look chic and they cut down your outfit in a very weird way. They just goes across your breast and they just not really flattering on a lot of outfits in my opinion, and they tend to make outfits very casual. Sometimes I just don't want to look too casual. I really love a good shoulder bag or top handle. When I was traveling in Thailand, I only carried 3 bags with me and 2 of them were crossbody bags, and those are like my everyday bags. So I really missed having a top handle at that time. When I saw this at a Japanese consignment store and it was $150, I just couldn't resist to pick it up. I've always loved the design of this bag. And I think fashion from the 2000s era is coming back, so I wouldn't be surprised that this style of bag is making a comeback the same way like Balenciaga City is now making a comeback, and a lot of the nylon Prada shoulder bags are also making a comeback. Inside of the bag looks like this. It has one small zipper compartment you can put like your small wallet in. This is how the tag looked like. It says Yves Saint Laurent Rive Gauche. It has suede lining on the inside and it has this magnetic button closure. The color is dark brown and the hardware is in silver metal. I've worn this bag a few times and it fits my daily essential. It fits a full wallet, your phone, everything you can think of that you would need for your daily necessities. So that is all from my quick reveal of the day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like if you like it and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!